Let's get ready and cook. Okay, we're gonna make something easy tonight. I've been up all night and half the day with neuropathy pain in my left foot on top and on my right foot on the bottom. Makes 2 days in a row I've been in nothing but pain, pain, pain. First night was my neck and my shoulder, and I went to the ER and got a steroid shot. And then last night when I went to bed, my feet started, and they're still not stopped, and it's 7 o'clock at night right now. We got Gordon's fish. It tastes just like Long John Silver's. If you like Long John Silver's, you'll like it. And we got some tater tots. Now to dip your tater tots in, we're going to make some mustard and lettuce. Mustard and mayo together and mix equal parts, and that's what we're going to dip our tater tots in. And I don't know if I'm going to make some fish tacos or what I'm going to make with the fish. Now, if you all I have to do to make fish tacos, make some coleslaw, and that should be enough to put on top of it. But I don't know if I'm going to do that yet or not. I have to make up my mind. When I come in here to cook anymore, I just don't know what to cook anymore. I just cook what I think, and that's it. No big rhyme, reason, or anything. Each person should get 10 tater tots. That should be enough. Okay, we've got beer batter fish, Gordon. Well, if I get this bag open, we'll get Gordon's. How y'all been doing today? Been warm at your house? It ain't been too warm outside. Not for me, it ain't. Three pieces of fish should be enough for each person. I got our cabbage cut up, our purple and our green, our coleslaw. It's time to turn these again. fry these 9 to 11 minutes. And fry these for about 16 minutes. Okay, let's make some dressing to go in it. We're going to try 1/3 of a cup of mayo or slaw. About 1/3 cup of vinegar. About 1/3 cup of sugar. Oh, that's not sugar. Five tablespoons. Teaspoon of parsley. Teaspoon of celery seed. Black pepper, 1/8 of a teaspoon. Okay, we got some minced onions, 1 teaspoon. And 1/8 of a teaspoon of celery salt. Okay, let's pour slaw mix in. Have some good slaw. Good slaw. We're going to call this meal done. For our dip, for our tater tots. Mmm. And tater tots is good. The fish is good and crispy. Coleslaw, yum. Thanks for watching, and please make this meal. Bye.